This video is going to show you how to change and select transitions. The transitions are a lot of fun for your students and can make your production look more professional. I'm also going to show you how to set up transitions to automatically bring in other elements like titles. So first, if you look next to these program and preview bars on the right, you'll see the set that we have up here, and this is the transition that we currently have picked. So if you click on this transition, there's a couple that are set here like cut and fade, which are your basic ones. And then if you hover over one, you can click on the plus and you get a ton of different transitions that you can pick from. One thing that I recommend with your students is to have them like pick one transition and use that pretty much for a week before switching, because sometimes the kids will switch them so much that it gets a little confusing. Now, in the transitions, there's also this animated stories here, and we have fun things like an alien hand and a camera shutter, an explosion, and my students really love using these. The only thing to keep in mind if you pick one of them is that they make a lot of noise. So let's say we pick this explosion and okay. So to get rid of that noise, what I do is I usually go in and I just mute the effects from this audio mixer. You could set it to a low, you could have it on and just make sure that it's low so it's not really loud. The first time we used this explosion transition, some of my teachers got a little um, frightened in the classroom. So I'm going to switch it back to the one we were using. So then also in DSK, downstream key 1 and 2, you can switch these transitions in the same exact way. You click on the transition, hover over the plus bar, and see all the many different ones you can pick. Once you've highlighted one you like, click on OK. Same thing. So what's really fun with the downstream keying is you can pick your elements that you're going to go in there. Right now I have camera 1 as an element and I have my titles as the second element. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight both DSK and DSK2 so they look blue here. When I hit my space bar, those elements are automatically going to come in. And they automatically go out when I hit the space bar. You can change down here different titles. You can change this maybe to be pictures. And then once again, spacebar in, spacebar out.